Hey guys, Babatunde Omotaro here. Oraimo has just launched their Freebuds 3 earbuds, and this promises to be something out of the world. It is not here in Nigeria yet, so we should be expecting it maybe 2 weeks to a month's time. Last one that came out from Oraimo, which is the Oraimo Freebuds 2 Pro, cost 14,900 naira. I can easily guess maybe the price of this will be less than 20,000 naira. I was able to get this information from JPM Official from Morocco, and I'm permitted to use the video. So I'm here to just share with you what you should expect from this Oraimo Freebuds 3. I knew Oraimo was up to something when they released their survey on Twitter a few weeks ago. In that survey, you can see the picture of the earbud, but some part of it has been blurred out. Enough of that, and let's get down to the Oraimo Freebuds 3 itself. As far as the design goes, it looks similar to the Freebuds 2 Pro and the Freebuds 2S. It has STEM and many added features. Oraimo wants us to hear the difference according to what is written on their pack. So what is inside the box? Normally things you should expect, such as the case, the earbuds, the extra tips, and a short Type-C cable for charging up the earbuds, plus the manual. According to the source, it will be available in black and white. Features of this Oraimo Freebuds 3 includes ENC, Environmental Noise Cancellation. I think this environmental noise cancellation is just like the Anti Noise Cancellation that you can find in earbuds, Samsung earbuds and stuff like that. Just their own way of saying Anti Noise Cancellation feature. So the second feature you should be expecting in this Oraimo Freebuds 3 is a bigger battery. It will be coming in 500 mAh for the case and 45 mAh for each of the earbuds. This version will be Bluetooth 5.2, and this is better than the Bluetooth 5.1 and the Bluetooth 5.0 that are in the previous earbuds. So this time around, with that Bluetooth version 5.2, you can seamlessly, simultaneously switch between your devices that are Bluetooth enabled, and I can't wait to test out this feature. This earbuds too will be having two mode settings, just like the transparency mode in the Apple earbuds. This Oraimo Freebuds 3 will be having the bass mode, and it will be having the awareness mode. The bass mode, according to their names, you should guess what they really mean. So the bass mode will be for maybe noise cancellation, stuff of a thing. The awareness mode will just be the normal one that you can easily hear what is going on in your environment. Another massive feature of this Freebuds 3 is that it will be coming in a massive 13mm dynamic driver. This is already on the Oraimo 2BB edition, but I know that is where the bass will be coming from. We'll be getting a better bass this time, and with the head tips this time, it's going to be I don't just know, it's going to be very, very good. So you can expect something better from Oraimo Freebuds 3 this time. One striking feature that really got me wondering is the feature of to charge it for 5 minutes, and you're going to be getting 40 minutes of play time. Is that really real? As in for real? Charge it for 5 minutes and get 40 minutes of play time. Just wait to test that out. Another features include the IPS5 waterproof rating and the dust resistant, and then I can't just wait to test all these features of the Oraimo Freebuds 3. So in the coming weeks, by God's grace, we'll be having it here in Nigeria. I'll be getting it and review it for you guys just to know what to expect. If it's worth buying, I'll be telling you right away, and if it does not, you know me, I'll always tell you the truth. Thank you very much. I will give my honest review once I get my hands on this Freebuds. So this will be a combination of the Oraimo Freebuds 2 Pro and then the 2BB edition in one big pack. I remember Babatunde Omotaro, and I'll see you on the next one. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like so that we can reach out to other people. See you on the next one. God bless you. Stay safe. Peace.